everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and welcome to day 6 of our countdown to Christmas that is put out by the Missouri Star Quilt Company. So yesterday we got this great tumbler, which I've been using, and I love it. It keeps things really cold, and it has wonderful information on the sides, and I just think it's really cute and brightens my day. So I'm thrilled with this, and I was so surprised to find that they're around 25 bucks. So that's what I priced this at. And I looked at other websites too. So this tumbler really did keep things cold. I haven't tried it with hot things because I'm more of a water drinker, but I'm sure it keeps things hot too, because if it keeps the ice from melting, right, it keeps hot things hot, I would think. Anyway, I am thrilled with it. It's really nice and it's keeping me hydrated. So let's move on to day 6. Here it is. Unfortunately, my sticker came undone, but that's okay. As I just realized it yesterday that happened, so it's no big deal. Okay, what do we have? Oh boy, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a snowflake cookie cutter. Okay, and a cute pattern called Winter Woodland. This is really cute for a table runner. There's the back so you can see what it looks like. Oh, so cute. All right, and soft bond lightweight fusible adhesive. Okay, so that must be part of the project. What else? And Jenny's favorite sugar cookie recipe. How cute is that? So I'm thinking, let me put this aside. I'm thinking that the cookie cutter, of course, is for the sugar cookies, but it looks like on here that there's an applique that is the same shape as this cookie cutter. So you can use it for two different things. You can use it as your applique template, and I'm assuming for the cookies too. I might try making this. This is really, really cute. It looks pretty simple. I'm not sure if I'll get it done anytime soon, but if I do, I absolutely will show it on this unboxing. And it's really cute. I'm thrilled with this. This is another great day. So far we are getting up there in price. We're around $85. I'm not sure of the exact total. I have to look, but it's around $85, and we're only on day 6. So we're doing pretty darn good, in my opinion, considering the box costs $160. Not bad as far as value goes. Now, granted, there are some people that maybe wouldn't have purchased these things, and you don't have any control of what's in the box, whereas if you spent $160 on your own things and picked out your own stuff, you do. But there's the element of surprise and fun, and I don't know, it's really brightening my holiday season. So I love it. And I will let you know about how this project turns out and how these sugar cookies are. So thank you so much for watching. Oh, day 7. I keep forgetting to do the next day. I do have it out. Day 7. So we're almost a week in. Ooh, okay. This feels like pencils or something round in a package. I'm not sure. There's a piece of cardboard in there. There's also a bump there. I'm not sure what this is, but I can't wait to find out tomorrow when I open it. I'll put a total here on the screen of where we're at, and I also have an itemized list in the description so you can see what the value is of this box, and if you maybe want to consider getting it for yourself next year. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day, and make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.